So I'm convinced that these motherfuckers are all got some type of cloak technology to make these motherfuckers look like regular human beings. Because look at this shit. Boy, it's reptilian. Look at that shit right there, dog. Reptilian like a motherfucker. That's a whole monster under that motherfucker. That's some spooky shit. They live like a motherfucker, dog. Look at that motherfucker. What the fuck is that, dog? You got a hose all in your face. I don't like this shit. Like, now, if they all got, look at that shit. He got a head in the back of his head. They all got to be in on this shit. There's no way neither one of you motherfuckers, and they gonna show him again. Neither one of you motherfuckers in this building is a real motherfucker. Y'all all the letter V. All you motherfuckers. This shit is crazy. Look at that shit. Whole face just transforming like a motherfucker. They got a cloak or something, dog. I'm trying to tell you, these motherfuckers are not real people. And these motherfuckers controlling and running everything. You evil motherfucker.
Let's read Revelation 18, verse 2. And he cried mightily with a strong voice, saying, Babylon the Great is fallen, and has become the habitation of devils, and the hold of every foul spirit, and a cage of every unclean, hateful bird. Right? From there, let's read Psalms 73, starting at the 9th verse. They set their mouth against the heavens, and their tongue walketh through the earth. Therefore his people return hither, and the waters of a full cup are wrung out to them. And they say, How doth Yahweh know? And is there knowledge in the Most High? So in the 9th verse, when he says they set their mouth against the heavens, and their tongue walketh through the earth, what is it talking about, man? It's talking about them passing policy also, okay? Laws, yeah, as politicians do, okay? Congressmen, senators, right? And it's also showing you these demons fully took over them, okay? And the Most High let that be seen. Let's be clear. It wasn't no special technology. It was the Most High letting that be revealed, man, in these last and evil days, so your naked eye can see it. Because y'all can't see, some of y'all have no discernment. So the Most High have to let this spirits be seen and manifest. All right, and with that, I say shalom.
The ceremony-laden impeachment trial of President Donald Trump is now underway.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. All persons are commanded to keep silent on pain of imprisonment.
Donald J. Trump has abused the powers of the presidency